Hello Hamster Kombat players, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for today. Today's daily cipher is public, that's the Morse code. Today's date is 10th August 2024. To get this Morse code, which is public, okay, click on this daily cipher tab here. When you click on it, the interface will change to this red color. Once it changes, you get the first letter, which is P. And to get this P, you do one dot, two dashes, and the last dot. Dot, dash, dash, dot. For the U, you do two dots and one dash. Dot, dot, dash. Then for the third letter, which is B, you do dash, one dash, and three dots. Dash, one, two, three. Then for the L, you do one dot, one dash, and the two last dots, the last two dots. Dot, dash, dot, dot. Then for the I, you do two dots, just two dots. One, two. For the C, you do one dash, one dot, another dash, and another dot. Dash, dot, dash, dot. For the C. So we finally cracked the code. Click on take the prize here. That's it for today's video, guys. Be sure to claim your daily cipher for today. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.